Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. When the scheme in the present case were framed in the year 1975 to implement the same, the municipal committee issued notice to the appellant on 7/6/1978 for demolition of boundary wall of the hotel and transfer the same to the committee which was required for the road stop. The appellant challenged the same by filing the writ petition in the High Court stop. In fact, various town planning schemes framed by the municipal committees of Amritsar and Bhatinda were the subject matter of challenge before the High Court by way of various civil writ petitions stop. These were disposed of by a common order dated 16/1/1980 stop. It was made clear that the provisions of the scheme insofar as they affect the rights of the writ petitioners will not be taken to be final, and the said provisions will only become final after the objections filed by the appellants are considered by the committees and disposed of stop. Thus, a conjoint reading of the judgment in Yogendar Pal (Supra) decided by this court as well as judgment dated 16/1/1980 by which aforesaid writ petitions were decided by the High Court would make it clear that in those cases where the scheme had been finalized, they remain protected and respondent number 2 shall have right to go ahead with the implementation of the said scheme stop. It is the common case of the parties that the High Court had permitted the appellants and others to file their objections, and the scheme was to become final only after the objections were considered by the committee and disposed of stop. However, whereas respondent number 2 maintains that the objections of the appellants were disposed of rejected, the appellant argues otherwise, and it is pleaded that the matter remained in limbo without any decision on its objections stop. The outcome of the present appeal would depend upon this aspect stop. In his endeavor to demonstrate that no final decision was taken on the objections of the appellant, Mr. Nidesh Gupta, learned senior counsel for the appellant, submitted that these objections were considered on 30/6/1980 and 8/7/1980 stop. A perusal of the proceedings dated 30/6/1980 makes it clear that it was decided that verification be done at the spot, and in case there is any mistake in the plan of the scheme, the same be got rectified stop. The objection regarding the demarcation was rejected by placing reliance on section 192 of the Punjab Municipal Act 1911 stop, which permitted land to the extent of 25% to be taken without payment of compensation and additional 10% to be taken after payment of compensation stop. In the proceeding dated 9/7/1980, the claim of the appellant for compensation was noticed and the said objection was rejected stop. However, it was also decided that the plan of Sipal Hotel as sanctioned by the municipal committee would be checked, and after inspecting the spot survey plan would be corrected in view of the objection of the objector stop. In the meantime, civil suit number 386 of 1979 filed by the appellant herein was also decided stop. A perusal of the judgment dated 11/12/1981 in the suit makes it clear that the contention of the counsel for the appellant herein that the objections had to be considered stop.